my body is burning calories so that my heart can continue. Welcome back to Lifestyle Nutrition with Brian Diamond, and today we are going to learn about BMR, or Basal Metabolic Rate, or Resting Metabolic Rate. And yeah, just like the thumbnail suggested, it's the amount of calories that you burn while you're at rest or while you're relaxing. And these are the amount of calories that any and every individual burns on a daily basis just to survive, just to exist, just to keep the lights on. You can even call it survival calories or existence calories. Basal metabolic rate accounts for about 60% of your total daily energy expenditure. Now, I've made a separate video about total daily energy expenditure. If you want to find it, you can hit the card right here and you can get it. Every individual has a unique BMR because everybody's different. Everybody's age, height, weight, sex, all of these factors determine your BMR. I'll give you an example. My heart is beating right now. So let me look at my heart. So just because my heart is beating, my body is burning calories so that my heart can continue beating. So I went to a website, calculator.net, input my details, and I got a BMR of 2154. That means that I need to consume 2,154 calories on a daily basis just to survive. Not even move. I'm not even supposed to do this, just to be this way. That's it. I need that many calories just to sit there and do nothing. There's a reason that trainers recommend that their clients train for muscle building or strength. And even I did this with my clients and it gave them a lot of results. This is because muscle building helps you build muscle, of course, and muscle also contributes to BMR, because the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, because muscle burns calories to sustain itself. I have created a show called Document with Diamond. In this show, there's a reason that I'm burning a lot of weight so fast. This is because I have about 75 kilograms of muscle. So you can see the benefits right there. Let me give you another example. Let me bring back the Monopoly money. So let's say these are all calories, and that's a lot. So that's about 2,000 right here. So that's 2,000 calories. That's an average person's daily caloric intake. And if you look at the back of food labels, they say based off of a 2,000 calorie diet. So I need 2,154 calories, which means I need 2000 plus another 154 calories. That's a lot. So that's pretty much it for BMR. And if you've reached this far into the video, I would appreciate it if you hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below with your thoughts, questions about BMR and how it will help weight loss. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.